All right. Coolant temp sensor on a 97? Yeah, 97. M3 S52. My coolant gauge has been like fucking going all over the place, and I've been trying to research it. Like, everyone says, oh, there's two sensors, there's one sensor, like, and everyone, like, when you Google it or YouTube it, it comes up with the fucking overflow sensor, this shit down here, and that doesn't affect the gauge, right? But I did a lot of digging on like old ass forums and shit, and all right, like, no one tells you where it is. They just say it's under the manifold, right? And they said it's a blue connector, but that's for the early model cars. Late model cars, like OBD2 cars, if you just look up like your year and sensor, it'll show you either you have a 2-pin or a 4-pin connector. And this is the OEM one. You can tell it's fucking hella crusty. I already put the new one in, so, but I'll show you where it is because no one shows you. I know it's a fucking simple job, but I've never worked on BMWs before. This is my first one, so yeah. It's right next. You have to pull the little air vent bullshit off the alternator, and then you'll look and then pull the crankcase vent hose off right here. You know, I just tucked in. Mine's fucking broken. I just fucking put a piece of hose over it. I guess it works, but you can see it right here. This is it, 4-pin connector. You just unpin it, like you squeeze it a certain way, and it just comes undone. Watch the wires, they look pretty fragile, or mine do. And yeah, there it is, right there in front of the head cylinder, like what, like right there. It's pretty simple. Like, I guess that's why no one posted online, but I'm fucking dumb, so I wanted a video. You need, it's a 22 millimeter. Just used it on this fucking flex head. Get it on there. It doesn't go on that tight. It's like really, like, you know, aluminum head. You don't want to strip it, so don't crank her down super hard. But yeah, simple. Hopefully this fixes my gauge issue. If not, it's probably my fucking cluster or the wiring harness. Thanks for watching.